Hola, Señora Vaz with instructions for today. Today, for your actividad inicial that you did in your first 5 minutes, you had to use words from the new vocabulary about likes and dislikes, and you had to answer this question in Spanish in a complete sentence using the new vocabulary. So we were practicing last class the new vocabulary, so you should be able to put a sentence with I like and then choose one of the activities that you have there in the list and complete the sentence. And where are you going to answer that? Right here in the space provided here. So once you go to your assignment, you just click start. I think it says start assignment, and you type it there. All right. So the first thing that you're gonna do today in class is watch this video. It's called Grammar Activa, and it's gonna talk about the infinitives. That is the first thing that we're gonna learn in this second chapter that we're studying about likes and dislikes. So this is the video. I put this video here. And it's going to tell you about that. So we're going to watch that during class. Once you do that, you're going to copy this note. I put some notes here. So your first notes, you copy these notes in your notebook right here. Then once you finish in a different paper, you're going to copy these other notes. This is about, the first one's about infinitives. This one is about negatives. You copy everything, yes, with examples. And then you're going to copy these other notes. So this is all the stuff that we're going to be seeing in these 6 weeks, but I want you to have it in your notebook. This is expressing agreement or disagreement. All right, once you have those notes, we're going to do the practice. This is the practice you're going to be working on. It's about likes and dislikes. So for this first part, you have a question and a blank. You look at what the person is doing and you complete. Since this is already a question, it started with a capital, and the word that we're going to put here is not starting a sentence, you are not going to use a capital for this one, okay? And you don't need a period because it's closing with a question mark. So you're just going to write here what goes on the blank. Same with this one, what goes on the blank. And you have 10 of this. So just put what goes on the blank. For this activity, it's a listening activity. You're going to play the video to listen. And it says, ¿te gusta o no te gusta? You're going to hear what Rosa is saying that she likes, that she doesn't like. So you are going to select the activities that she likes to do in the question 1. So right here where it says me gusta, that means I like, you're going to select what you hear she says she likes. So you need to have them all correct to get your 10 points. And then she's going to say the activities that she does not like they are together. She's talking about, oh, I like to do this, I like to do that, I don't like to do this, and I also like this, but I don't like that. So you need to pay attention what she's saying that she likes and that she does not like, so you check accordingly. For the I like, me gusta, you check whatever you hear, and for no me gusta, I don't like, you check whatever you hear. So you need to have them correct so you can get you 10 points for each one of this. In this second listening activity, you're going to play this. It says, listen to what some people like to do. Select the name of the person from the list that corresponds to the activity each one describes. So who's saying that they like to montar en monopatín? Skateboarding. Who said that? It was Sebastián, or Valentina, or Carmen, or Daniel, or none of them. So you have to select among this. You look at the activity, you listen, and then you select who said what. And that is what you had to do. Okay. As usual, if you have any questions, don't forget to submit. Once you finish, please click submit so I can receive the form. So as usual, if you have any questions, that's the only activity you had to do for today. I put some tools here that you may use. They may be useful for your activity today. But as usual, if you have any questions, I'm here to help you. Please let me know. Nos vemos. Hasta pronto.